Hello and welcome to the next episode. In today's episode, we'll be going over how to calculate power requirements for energy weapons and also other weapon systems. So, there seems to be a commonly asked question in the Discord that I've been told about, and I will very easily and quickly tell you. So, over here we have our class ship with its weapons. So, just so you're not confused, this weapon is a particle lance. And it has these stats. And you may look at this and be like, okay, how the hell do I calculate how much power it is going to use? So first thing is, this is not the total. This is just for one of them. So if you have two, you have to double this, okay? You have to add another one on top of that. So to fire both, it'd be X, Y, Z, okay. The big number is the amount it needs to get to be able to fire a shot, and the small number is how much power it can recharge every 5 seconds, or every combat phase, basically. And then you have your rate of fire. So if we calculate this at, okay, we have 37. We have 37. Bring up a calculator here, make it a little smaller. So if we have, we need to reach 37, right? So if we do 37 divided by 4, that means that we need to, we need that many seconds. So 9 times 4. So again, we get 37. So 9.25 charges, or 9.25 times 5. So 9.25 times 5, we get 46.25. So we're looking at about 47 seconds to be able to fully recharge one magnetic accelerator cannon or particle lance. Okay, now it fires every 50 seconds. So they've rounded this up. It's obviously been rounded up, and that also has been affected by capacitor recharge time. So we're looking at about 50 seconds rounded up in total for the weapon to fire again. So that is how power works in conjunction with that. I have a reactor here which provides the power. So I have 8.3 power generated every 5 seconds. And that power is then translated into the weapon system. The weapon system then uses that to charge itself. If there is insufficient power for the weapon, then it will not be able to charge itself. It will not be able to sustain its rate of fire. Now let's go to something a little bit lighter, like a Corvette. So we'll have a look over here. So we have a railgun. So this will fire every 15 seconds because it's going to charge 4 power every 5 seconds, and it needs 12 power to fire. This is the basic formula for everything to do with power and weapons, and is generally what you want to be looking at. So again, if you are wanting to calculate this, so we have 12 divided by 4 is 3, and then we have times 5 is 15. So, and that will give you your rate of fire. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and we'll be back next with more tutorials in the future.